Hey guys, a lot of you have been asking us to do an updated tutorial on our V3 rangefinder. All right, so we've got our power mode here, which also acts as the button to actually zap the flag. And then we've got our mode button as well. This is our slope switch. So if you're in a tournament, you can turn the slope off by just clicking it there. If you're playing a normal casual round, you can turn your slope on like that to get a better idea of how far away the flag is, especially if it's hilly. Now our mode button here, there's also a flag lock mode. So there's an instant zap and our flag lock, which will put something on the screen here. It's gonna have a little flag in the bottom left corner. That's the one that you're gonna use when you're in the fairway or trying to get an exact location to the pin. When you have flag mode off, this is a really good hole for it. There's a few trees in the background and then there's a bunker right at the front. So you can use the instant mode, which is gonna give you an exact distance straight away. As soon as you press that zap, it's gonna give you the distance to the top of that bunker. So you know you gotta hit it a bit over it. Then once you've zapped the bunker, you can get an exact distance to the pin using our flag lock mode. As you can see, there's also trees in the background of this green. Now, if you're using flag lock mode, what it's gonna do is it's gonna scan for the closest object to the rangefinder. So it's gonna send out a bunch of lasers. Now, if you drag it across, if you've got shaky hands, you can literally drag the rangefinder across the flag and it's going to pick it up straight away. Now, let's say you don't quite hit the flag on the first go. If you're in flag lock mode, you just point it at the ground, reset it, and then point it back up and try again. That's gonna give you the flag every single time. Because once you've locked onto something, if you've locked onto the trees in the background, it's gonna keep trying to pin those trees. So if you need to get the flag, reset it by pointing it at the ground, then go for the flag the next time. And that's gonna be how you get exact distances to the flag every single time. Okay, and for all our overseas customers or those of you that use yards, all you've got to do to change it from meters to yards or vice versa is hold down the mode button for 3 seconds. It'll swap everything over for you. There's also HT mode, which is a fog mode or a really glary day. You can use HT mode. That's going to scan for a little bit longer in those really foggy mornings or really foggy afternoons if you are playing.